Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2016 Nissan Rogue oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the trip odometer button until trip displays. Then proceed with the reset steps below and follow vehicle prompts to clear the maintenance reminder safely and reliably for normal driving. Start with the vehicle off and the key or button in your hand, then switch to on mode without cranking the engine. Hold the odometer button until the maintenance menu appears, navigate to the oil change reminder, and choose Reset. Release the button when the display confirms the reset and the oil light goes out, then double-check by cycling the ignition. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for excellent comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long garage days or road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy one, enjoy the comfort. Now let's get back to the video. If the oil light persists, try the reset again, making sure the odometer shows trip and holding the button firmly. Look for persistent warning signs that suggest a sensor or maintenance issue, and visit a mechanic if needed. Always prioritize oil level and quality checks before relying on an electronic reset, and address any leaks or engine noises promptly to avoid costly damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.